Okay, a tribute to the typical filmy love story, but this time the Dulhania is carrying the hero on her shoulders, is it?
Not on her shoulders, but she's carrying the hero. Yes.
So you're carrying the film on your shoulders.
No.
Yes,
that's not.
yes.
No.
That's what
I
she
knew
meant.
that
That's
would
what-
be the
yes,
next.
that's what
I
she
knew
meant.
that would be the next question. That's why I was saying no. I'm not carrying this film on my
No, but-
shoulders. We all together are carrying this film in our laps.
But that's what me and Siddharth have been trying to say, that this full film, success and failure, Alia has decided to take it on her shoulders, on her strong shoulders. Shoulder ka close up lo please.
So I guess she's all geared up for a hat trick.
She is all geared up for a hat trick, and it'll be amazing if her hat trick
It'll be
happens.
amazing if it's a hat trick, but I'm not
Because
geared
my hat
up.
trick will happen if her hat trick happens. So let's
But,
hope.
I mean, amazing buzz. And also, Varun, Siddharth, earlier you had Siddharth as Student of the Year competing for affections. Now you have another Siddharth, so you have a strong Siddharth fan.
Siddharth is very lucky for me, and especially when he's 6 foot tall, which Siddharth Shukla is also. And not only that, but you can't keep aside his increasing and tremendous popularity, be it in television or be it wherever we go. And the reason I'm saying this is because this film has been made as a family, so you don't have any of those cliches of competition and people not getting along. I'm very, very happy and very, very proud that Siddharth making his debut in a film that I'm in as well, and hoping that trio clicks on the box office.
Anyways, we asked your fans questions on Twitter, and one of them has asked, romance with Alia or bromance with Varun?
Both. HSKD.
Yeah.
Nice one.
And says Nina has asked, how important are pre-release marketing to you? Do you feel forced, or have you guys come to enjoy it?
No, it's very, very important because we are still very, very new. But I think me and Varun and Sid, actually, we've kind of found a way of enjoying it. People are either ragging each other, or we're ragging ourselves, or we're doing something or the other. But I think it's the energy that you put out there which represents the energy of the film, and hopefully we're putting a positive energy out there.
Richie has asked, box office collections or public review to you?
Public review to me. And honestly, from the bottom of my heart, I won't say or I won't refute the fact that box office collections are not important. They are very, very important. At the end of the day, we all see what it is. But I don't want that my film ends up doing like an insane number and everyone's like, no, it was all hype and it's a crap film.
Yeah.
I don't want that. I want people to love it. So even if the figures and the collections start coming after a couple of days, but I want people to enjoy the film. I don't want them to feel robbed.
And Amshaka has asked, Varun, who amongst the current actors is your strongest, toughest competitor?
Who among the current actors is my strongest current? I think Ashutosh Rana. And he's in the film. He is, you're seeing him after a while, he's redefined. You have no idea, he's looking really fit. He's been pumping us.
Oh, well, Ashutosh Rana, okay. And Priyanka has asked, three of you amongst your contemporaries that you saw a movie and wish that, hey, I wish I was part of that.
No, I think everybody fits their parts perfectly, and I wouldn't want anybody else to be a part of my film, so I'm sure nobody else would want me to be a part of their films and their role. Everybody does complete justice to their roles.
But you?
I don't have any recent films, but I have like iconic films which I feel I could do better, but I would love
Which
doing.
one would you? Do you feel you would have done better?
The Doors, because I'm a huge Jim Morrison fan and Oliver Stone fan, and obviously Val Kilmer absolutely knocked it out of the park in that one, but I would love doing something like that.
What about you?
This being my first film, I have just watched films, so I would really love to be in every film that I've watched. But that's a fact.
And then Anuj Humpty has asked, if you guys were to write a book, what would be the title of your autobiography?
Just me, like myself.
And then I'll go to Alia.
Randomly incorrect.
What about you?
I need some time to think.
All about me.
I think it's something that I keep saying and I'm constantly battling, that I'd rather be stupid than pretend to be intelligent.
No, I've got a great Alia Bhatt, The Lurker.
The Lurker! Nice one.
Guys, any expectations from the budget?
It's going to be good. We really hope that the common man really benefits from it, and everything comes out nice, and everyone's happy, and the country on the whole progresses thanks to the budget.
I think the railway budget has really impressed me, so I'm hoping that the budget also impresses me as well.
Instead of talking about expectations, I want to see implementations rather than just talk, because I don't want to get too happy with whatever comes out. It might be the best budget, but this time I'm not going to be very impressed and be like, wow. I want to see implementations. I want to see improvement, and then only as a citizen I'll be happy.
Anyways, on that note, all the very best for Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhania.
Thank
You
you.
guys rock the box office.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.